Hey, my name's Jeanette, and this summer we did a bunch of gardening construction because I love to garden. And here in South Central Pennsylvania, there's a lot of struggles with gardening. I mean, there are some days where it's like 15 days straight of 90-degree weather, and then there's 3 weeks of rain every single day, and all that grows in the backyard is mushrooms. But we built a greenhouse. We're really enjoying it. We're giving it a try. Join us for Good Morning Greenhouse, and let's open this box and see what I got for the greenhouse. We do have some plants already in the greenhouse. We recently got 25 plus dry root strawberries, or bare root strawberries, and they're all kicking butt. We've also are trying aeroponics and hydroponics, and we're also doing some 3D printing of some hydroponic towers, and it's very exciting to see the plants take off. Considering how slowly sometimes they grow outside, and a huge struggle in our area is bugs that eat our plants. And how do we keep them from eating our plants? It's the struggle. So what we have here, we have a few racks in the greenhouse already, but what we have here is 2 more metal racks. We were going to do some lumber shelving, but lumber prices skyrocketed, and this way it won't rot, and if we need to take it inside the house, because it's a big fail, you know, we can use these inside in the basement too. So we got 2 racks here. Very exciting. We also have solar panels to heat the greenhouse in the wintertime to grow all winter long, because I get the winter blues, and if I can just garden all year round, I won't be so sad. So join me next time on Good Morning Greenhouse.